What's up, nerds? So, as you can see at the bottom of this page, there is a question. Can you make a do-it-yourself tutorial? So, this is that tutorial to make, shit like this. That's what I'll be making. Spoiler alert or disclaimer, I use an iPad and an Apple Pencil. So that's the hardware. I'm sure whatever hardware you can use to do the same thing will work, but that's the hardware I use. First on the docket is, you'll need some visuals. I've been getting my visuals from this guy, the Regions Unite Handbook, made by Lean Xavier and the delightful Sammy Lane. And I upload this PDF in Google Books, and then I go like so. I just take a screenshot, right? I take that screenshot, I save it to Photos, and then I open it up in my preferred app, which is whatever, GoodNotes. But I'm sure all different types of apps will do the trick. Pardon me, that was my person moving Legos on the table. That's a little loud, but we'll deal with it. We had a delightfully awkward look. So I just take that photo, I make a new page out of it. Bam, boom, shakalaka laka, and I just get to writing. Um, um, yeah. So when in doubt, I always like to write something inspirational. Boom. We have analog graffiti, so to speak, in a digital medium. I can now take this image or this page and I can export it as an image. Boom. Save it to yonder camera roll. And yeah, that's it. Now we can go out there. We can say to the world, don't forget, guys, something inspirational. Let's tag Sino so he knows that this is a product of him asking me to make a do-it-yourself thing. No, let's tag Regions Unite because Sino's the man. Let's tag him too. But the squad. It's the squad wealth. This is how we are creating squad wealth. So this is one of the many recipes. Damn, I cannot type and talk at the same time to create squad wealth. Let's do Sino as well because he is actually the man. He's an enabler. Boom. There we go. That's how we do it. And now that's a thing that exists on the internet that you saw me make from basically start to finish because of this question. Can you make a do-it-yourself tutorial? That's it. That's all I got for you. Ask more questions if you want it in higher detail. Here's the handbook. The Regions Unite handbook is our literal handbook about how we did the thing that we did and how you can use that as an inspiration to do your thing. If you go on the website, there's a link, blah, blah, blah.